Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am here with the Sophiology wig, y'all. Of course, y'all be like, where's the inches? Where the inches? We ain't here with that, okay? We here with the bob today. So this is a 5x5 closure wig. She's 14 inches and the density is 180%. Off camera, I did go ahead and pluck it. I'm also adding some cream foundation to the closure because y'all will see in the next clip that this lace is transparent, but it has that white tint to it. So I actually have to go back in and, add just a little bit more just so I can have that scalp effect. I'm just going in to clean up the part a bit. I was going to do a side part, but I was like, no, I'm just going to leave it alone, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and, it does come with the middle part. So we're just going to go ahead and clean it up. Y'all know I love me some Erika J. Her products are fire, so I'm just going in with her stick. I pretty much use this stick in every video. I always like to go ahead and hot comb my frontal or closure, whatever it is I'm wearing, before I lay it down. I feel like it makes the installation time quicker, okay? And I also realized that with this step I can see if I need to go back and pluck in any areas before I actually install it down. I don't like plucking units on my head. I feel like I'm pulling out my edges. I don't know. So now I'm just going to go ahead and define my part by just using some concealer. I love this part. This part is crucial, sis. Now I'm just going to go in and cut and create jagged edges. So this is what it's giving, y'all. This is giving, okay, with closure, period. So anyway, I'm just going in with my favorite spray. This is my 𝚘𝚑𝚒𝚑 lace spray. 𝚘𝚑𝚒𝚑𝚒𝚑. This is just my 𝚘𝚑𝚒𝚒𝚑 lace bond spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray half of my head, and I'm gonna wait till the spray is a little bit tacky. Once I touch it and feel it's tacky, I'm gonna pull it down to the area that I would like. So once I get done secured, I like to pull back on the lace just to see if any areas got missed. It will start to lift if you miss any areas or if the product dries too fast. So I like to go back in and spray it. Also, another note when having a closure, if you wanted to resemble that frontal factor, you got to make sure that you're pulling it down as far as it could go. Stretching it wise, like to eyebrow, to the end of your eyebrow to the other end. All right, so now we have her fully secured. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin back both sides so I can add my edge scarf. I'm so glad that they included this in the package because I needed another one, okay? I just needed another one. I'm taking my Sleek It Heat Protectant by L'Oreal. I love this stuff, y'all, and I'm spraying it all over the hair so that when I go to flat iron it, I'm not going to actually damage the unit. I reinforce the product by just going over it with my hot comb just so everything can get on all of the strands. Now I'm taking my Duval I think I said that right. Duval flat ironing. I'm just going to use the chasing method to straighten out my hair. When it comes down to my bobs, I don't like the dramaticness of the ends being bumped. So I like to loosen it just a little bit by going into each section and just flat ironing it all the way through, but still leaving a slight bump, if that makes sense. Y'all, I'm super in love with this hair. I'm not even gonna cap, okay? When I seen the color, when I seen the unit come out for the first time, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm in love. I have to have this wig. But like I said, I seen everybody doing the longer version, so I just opted and got the bob. I said, let me try the bob out. Let me try the bob, okay? It's the bob for me. I love that the companies now are getting hip to the point where we don't even have to recreate them on our own. They're actually hopping on the trends and creating the units for us, which is a freak amazing, okay? Amazing. Alright, so now we took our edge wrap off, and this is what she's given. Y'all know sometimes I feel like the closures can be a little thickening and they can look a little wiggy at times depending on the density. So I decided to take it upon myself to add some baby hairs, and I feel like baby hairs just give us that frontal factor. If you add baby hairs on anything, it's just gonna, it's just gonna make it pop. Now, if you don't like baby hairs, you don't have to do this, but I am, okay? So I wasn't feeling the two swoops by itself, so I just went into the front and just added a little bit more baby hairs, and I just used my Got to Be Glue gel. So yeah, y'all, I haven't washed or conditioned this hair at all. I installed it straight out of the packaging, y'all. This unit was super cute. I didn't have any problems with it shedding or tangling. The only shedding I got was from me plucking it. Of course, like I said, I did want the closure part to be less dense. This is a super cute baddie wig. I don't care what nobody say. Nobody can come for me. Nobody can tell me nothing. This is pretty much gonna be the end of my video, y'all. I really enjoyed working with this unit. I was super in love with how they created this unit, y'all. I love the highlights. I love the gray. I love the grunginess, the grungy glam that is definitely given. It's definitely a baddie type of wig. And I love the bob version. I didn't think I was gonna like it when I took it out, but once I, installed it and made it my own, sis, ain't nobody gonna tell me nothing. So yeah. All the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.